Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, the situation is now, as you can see, I'm at home because the last couple of days was just a chaos. And we are kind of stuck with the engine from the Mazda, and I would like to show you why and what happened, because I filmed a little bit when we was there, but not that much, and I didn't say anything. But the story is we started to put the engine together. The cleaning process is over. So we cleaned the engine, every part. It was a really, really long process, but now it's over. And then where we started to put the engine together, there was a little bit struggle. We did it, or we do it for the first time. So yes, let me show you what happened.
The only hole I'm trying to see right now is a whole lot of money. Y'all can keep the rest of this.
It just got real. Say how you feel. Got is mad. Yeah, that's too bad. Off of my dick, I got him stressed out. Look at me, I'm blessed now. Tell him I'm the best out. Giving nothing less. You guess to see my third eye. You see my halo. Untamed, no cage, ho. Clip it through the payroll. I'm about my banknotes. Good look, they taking those. What if we waiting on? It's what I prayed for, right? Black, tell them back. Just how I get my lick back. On the get back. They won't hear me get the last laugh. I'm the last. Standing all 10 in the grass patch. Run a cash grab, yeah. I'm off the medicine. They on the sedatives. Finna settling. I'm him, no questioning. Up late, no rest again. Them ain't threatening. It's what I invested in. Bring the blasting in, yeah. If somebody told you that they know me, then they told you it's a story. Keep my business on a low key, yeah. If you fuck me, then for shorty. If you not, then it's a problem. I'm the source, we get it sorted, yeah. If you know me, you the homie. If you don't, let's keep it cordial. Keep my mentions on a low key, yeah. If you for me, then for shorty. If you for me, can you show me? Way up near the asteroids, rapping like the writtens do. I'm getting to the cash, boy. The average, I keep adding to my name across the tabloid. I don't stress fame, but if I want, I could turn me into a household name. Way out of line, still in my lane. Heavy foot in the game. I'm big stepping in the flesh, bitch, I get better with age. Sharpen my aim, they press and play to hit my life. I'm never selling my soul. Get to the dollar off a dream, bitch, I'ma grip what I'm owed. I never fold, I keep it calm. They wanna rise out of me, I keep it glacier, cut you off soon as I see the first sign that you not for me. In alignment with the gods and the kings, and I want everything, bitch, I need that payoff. She say she wanna dip out to Barbados. I'm still trying to comprehend what's a day off. Been moving hella careful, you see what they did to take off. I'm protecting my peace, and I've been chefing this heat. I've been revving the pitches, I've been one with the vision. If somebody told you that they know me, then they told you it's a story. Keep my business on a low key, yeah. If you fuck me, then for shorty. If you not, then it's a problem. I'm the source, we get it sorted, yeah. If you know me, you the homie. If you don't, let's keep it cordial. Keep my mentions on a low key, yeah. If you for me, then for shorty. If you for me, can you show me?
I like getting lost in the carousel of my own mind.
Yeah, I really like that. I feel like that, yeah.
Hello, hey, Tracy with the good heels on. Let me tell you about my day, it won't be real long. Woke up to a Red Bull before I wash my face. I'm gon' need all the energy if I'ma see this day. Work hard, play hard, work hard, repeat. Free How can I not be good for my health when it's my own space? They give no grace, I show no face, share no location. Them throwback plays back on my station. To a time when R&B was about love still, and I had a clear mind and still knew how trust feel. Still my head spinning 1,000 an hour. If you're still around, come get shower with flowers. Cause I can't miss a moment no more. I claim this day that I won't take a seconds for granted, not this way. Kids just wanna have fun all day, that's all, that's all. The girls will say you wanna grow up one day, that's all, that's all. No rush, it ain't going nowhere, no way, that's all, that's all. There's some words you gon' wanna take back one day, not long. Just look how much you grown.
Yesterday we started with the engine to put it together, and there is some situation that we have since yesterday. So this is how it looks like now. Here we have the first plate, the first housing, the middle plate and the first rotor in it. And the center shaft there. So the situation is that we have the first rotor in it, but we are not sure if it's the right one or the false one, because they may look like the same, they are not the same. So we need to figure it out which one is the right, and we need to take the rotor out, sadly, and put the right one in. And yesterday, the another thing, I found a little spring on on the floor, and yeah, this is the spring from the rotor which is inside the engine, so we need to take everything back and yeah, probably start from now, from new. So yeah, this is one thing about yesterday. And the second one is on the rotor. You have rings like this, 2 pieces, and yeah, it's just broke yesterday. You can see it there, it's broken. Yeah, that sucks a little bit, because there is a ceiling in it and you need to push a little hard to his place, and I did it with a plastic hammer and it was too hard and it's broken now. And yeah, the situation is that this ring, I found it as a set on the internet and it costs 600 euros. So it's not so cheap, and I hope I can order by Mazda one piece what I need, so it wouldn't be so much expensive. But yeah, we are finished cleaning yesterday and now we are on it to put everything together. But yeah, it's really I don't know how to say it. It's a challenge, yeah. Maybe this is the best word. It's a challenge. So we need to put everything back and figure out which one is the right rotor. Yeah, as you can see, it's not that easy how I imagined, but yeah. I found rings for the rotor. I will order it in a week, Today is the 24th of February, and at the beginning next month I will order them, and then we will continue our journey. Now we are on the halfway. We have started to put the engine together, we already put the half engine together, but we need these rings to continue. And yeah, we have, I think, already everything to put the engine together and to start it. So I have spark plugs here. I ordered new ones because they are two different spark plugs here. I don't know. Wait. Focus. So we have oil, we have coolant water, we have probably everything. We have premix, and about it I will talk in the next video about our plans, what we are gonna do now with the car, and the plans in the future, in the couple next years, what I want to do with this car. So I think that was for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. It's a good feedback for me. And follow me on Instagram, on every social media platforms. You can find it down. And if you follow me on Instagram, it's like behind the scenes, because every time when I work in the garage, I make stories and stuff like that. And yeah, stuff what not coming in the videos. So if you follow me there, you can see much of stuff there. And it's free. So thank you for watching again, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy.